Hey guys, Mr. Waltz here. Going to show you how to make your next drawing here. We're going to do the cylinder. So open that bad boy up. Go to your design drawing. From design, make sure you got a WPHSA. Hit OK. And that pops up. You can see it's pretty small. We're at scale 1 to 2. It's very conservative with the scale. It wants to make sure you have plenty of room. We're going to change it to 1 to 1. Go a little bigger. And then click here. And then I'm gonna hit OK, project view, click this and go up, go over here to the side and then go up diagonally, hit your check mark. And now this one's kind of interesting because the front view that I chose is this view. And usually we say the front view should show the distinctive shape of this thing. Well, the front view looks like a rectangle. It doesn't tell you that it's circular. But the problem is if you put this thing, if you made this the front view, remember the front view is also supposed to be stable. So if this was the front, it means this thing could roll from side to side. So it's kind of a hard decision. So that's why this is rectangular. I'm gonna double click on the isometric and shade it. So this is our first time with a circular piece, and there's some rules for circular things. Some of them are easy and some of them aren't. And so whenever we have the circle in a view, we want to use this tool, which is called center mark. And you click on the circle, and what it's going to do is make center lines. It shows you where the center is and then goes out. Notice the little lines go out to the edge. They go a little bit past. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is a thinner line than the object line. When you print it out, it will be very obvious, okay? Then what I'm going to do is hit D for dimension, and I'm going to click on here, and I can just put a diameter dimension on that. So that looks great. Now we know the diameter of the circle. The only other dimension we need is the height, and you could do it over here on the side view or the front view. Notice they're identical. So technically we could get rid of one of these views, but because we're trying to do 3 views and practice that, we're just going to leave it. I'm going to dimension the side of this over here, move over 1 snap. Just going to snap there. It finally snapped. Now down here on these other views of the cylinder, we're going to do what's called a center line. And what you do is you do a center line to show basically where this center point, it makes an axis that goes through the cylinder. All right. So we're going to click the center line tool, click on the left side and then the right side, and then it will automatically draw the center line going through the middle. And I'm going to do the same over here in this side view. Click the left side, then the right side, and it automatically draws the center line. So whenever you do any kind of circular feature, we're always going to have these center lines, and it's very important to remember. And that center line is how you know when if you just see this view by itself and don't see the top view, that's how you know this is circular, is that center line tells you, hey, somebody made something that's a circle here. Okay, so this thing is all done. Notice we only did it with 2 dimensions. Nice. We're going to hit save, wait for it, hit save, and we all done. Go on to the next one. Good luck. Have fun.